Hi you guys, we are going to transplant this lettuce that I had started previously in this styrofoam 8 carton, and we have two varieties going on. We have all year round lettuce, which is these first 6, which is a green single size serving of lettuce. I have them spaced out accordingly to the fact that when these get to be a nice big head of lettuce, I then can come along and in the middle of these heads plant another seed so it will start to germinate. And by the time I'm ready to pull this out and eat it, this is about halfway through the growing cycle. That's how you stagger something. The other 6 of these are this lettuce, which is French, which is a red type lettuce, and you can see it in here. If you remember, we planted these in these milk cartons, and you can kind of see in there that that is a red tint on that leaf. So same thing, I've got 6 of these. When that reaches halfway to maturity, I'm then going to come in here in the middle and I'm going to plant some more seeds directly into the soil. To prepare this soil, I turned it with my little turner. I got out anything that I did not want, which was not much. I went and got a bucket full of my own homemade compost and just spread it out. You're going to dig just a little bit of a hole here. It is incredibly shallow because you can see we don't need much of a hole here at all. And we want the soil to be level to the top of this. And when you scoop this out with a spoon, you're going to start right here at the edge and you're going to scrape your spoon across this carton because we don't care if we mess up the carton. We just don't want to mess up those roots that are in there. When I'm done with all of this, I am not going to throw this dirt out. I will just put this in a bed somewhere. And I've also got some cilantro in here. You can see little baby cilantro. And I have got this cauliflower, which is right here, which is kind of like a little play on like broccolini, but just in a cauliflower form. And I will try this somewhere. This is absolutely brand new to me, and I will try this in probably 2 or 3 different places in a couple different conditions. When I get something new, I kind of like to experiment with it. And if you can see right here, there's another example of a true leaf. Next to it are the first leaves. We talked about that before. So to transplant this, we're really just going to put this in here, and we're going to just start to move the soil gently around it, and then slide the spoon out. Sorry, it's hard to do with one hand. And then just pat it down a little bit to remove the air bubbles. But we do want a little bit of air in there. That's very beneficial to the plant. Now, all of those were already pretty watered before I put them in here, so I'm not going to water them at this moment. First of all, they're brand new. The sun is directly on them. I will wait until this is shaded, which is about 3 o'clock my time, and I'll come out and I will just water everything that I've got here. And if you can see right down the line all those little rocks, that's how I mark the differentiation as to what I'm actually planting here. So I'll come back and put like a little stone here because it will mark the difference in the variety of these heads of lettuce. And again, here is the all-round lettuce that we started here in this milk container, and it's dry and I need to water that as well. Okay, I think that's it. Hope that was helpful. Love you. Have a great day. Please subscribe.